how it is stored your data, your concept of particular. This is the prerequisite in the subjects. Okay. So this is the problem statement. For example, high cost, huge size, and database failure, and complexity, and increased cost, and requirement, and technical stock, cost of data conversion, and performance. So a huge amount of data store panna in cloud. What happened? I mean, storage spaces are needed. Okay. Second category, size most important. Size increase of cost wise increase. Okay. Sometimes, suppose if any failure of my database, what happens? Due to some errors, due to some electrical failure, storing, transfer data failure, what happens? Human problems like problems rectify in olden days file system store for example, this is file system. In the particular, I have stored only one data. For example, my name is Karthikeyan. I am stored, my K is only stand here. A, okay, R, T, H, I, K. This is over but in our database server size can be increased, cost wise can be increased. So nowadays only the square box enough, you can store huge amount of data can be stored. For example, I have stand only one box, have 2 person. Okay, one more please. How many of you? The single box, 3 members too. But olden days only one person can stand here. Okay, so we go for database management system. So answer database problem can answer the database. Olden days we have stored in file system. Nowadays we have some disadvantages. Okay, I will clear what is disadvantages, what is advantages. Okay, this is for your unit number 1. Purpose of data, database system, view of data, data model, database system, 3 schema of architecture and common of DBMS, entity relationship, and concepts of modeling and motivation, entities and types, attributes and relationship, and ERDT diagram. If the software developer, okay, once understand your diagram, easily convert your problem statement as a coding form. Okay, for example, you know about agile software engineering. Agile software engineering, waterfall model. Okay, so other maximum you have applied only here diagram. Easily understand your diagram. Next one. Unit number 2, relation data model, keys and referential integrity, foreign key and relation algebra, SQL statements and data definition languages, table and foreign key definition, updation of behavior intermediate and SQL advanced and feature, embedded SQL, dynamic SQL, Oracle database and design query and code. These are some how to store data in your database. We have using 3 type of database are available. For example, Oracle database, MySQL database, H2 base database, system base. We have variety of databases are available. You can choose one of the best one. You can implement your software, means your system, and then software is implementation once. You have write your code and store your data in your database. Maximum query. Do you know about query? Easily store data in your database server. For example, what is structured one? What is unstructured data? There is no answer. You can store your data, your database. What is structured one? Unstructured one. For example, how many of you wear black color shirt? Raise your hands. Black color shirt. Black, please raise your hands. Okay, there is a structured one, but yours unstructured. But unstructured, your data can be stored up now. The retrieval system cannot work. Okay, unstructured, you have store your data. For example, madam, black, no, black, please, sit down. So, then I have write a syntax. Okay, I need structured data now. Whatever data I receive from here, retrieved from database is easy editing. Okay, but here, no. This is unstructured one. Multiple data are available. Okay, but some disadvantages are available. In a disadvantage, first, time complexity. But here, no time comes. Just I write a syntax, it easily retrieve my data from my database. Based on Rogi, table name, select star from Rogi Purdana, you can display your data. But here, unstructured one, data retrieved from it. So, in the model problem, using of database management system, we implement some software. Okay, ma'am? So, next one, dependency. Third unit is a dependency and normal form. We have 6 to 7 normal forms are available. Normal form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 6th one, PCNF. Next one, joint dependency. So these are some normal form. Normal form koduthu we are retrieve your data from database server. Fourth one, transaction concept. For transaction, asset property, schedule, shareability, concurrency control, deed of concurrency, locking protocol, two-phase locking protocol, and deadlock, transaction, recovery, save point, isolation level, and SQL facility for concurrency recovery. This is a fourth thing. So how to transfer from data from one location to other location with PIN or without PIN. For example, you are taking a banking account system. Without authorization, what happened? Without authorization to access your account, what happened? You lost your money. Other process we have defined in 14. 15 data storage and index, RAID and file organization indexed hashing function, order index, B3, B plus 3 and static hashing, dynamic hashing, query processing using of MongoDB and database creation, manipulation, index one and case study. And these are your textbooks and reference books. Okay, your textbook and reference books. The first book and second book is the textbooks. Okay. So this is my introduction to DBS and primary goal, task and application and advantage and disadvantages. Okay. This is data. First, what is data? What is database? What is database management system? We have defined. First, data. The data is listing piece of information. Piece of information. For example, this is a piece of information. Okay. Example: my ID number, my name, my address, my phone number, and date. This is one piece of information. Okay. Usually formatted in special way. Define your special way. In the special data, unique ID number. This is your unique ID number. SLCE CE07. This is my unique special ID. This is called data. Next one, all software is divided into two general categories: data and programming. Whatever processes are available, Data accepted, but அது store பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு some syntax is called as program. Next, program or collection instruction for manipulate data. Database is a collection of information related to particular topic or purpose. Particular topic or purpose. For example, there is sort of particular information. Where do I collect? Where do I collect? I need information about Harish. Once I make a call to a class supervisor or mentor. Otherwise, I need only ping call. Is enough. Okay, there is collection of information related to particular topic or purpose, particular person or me. This is called database. Database management system, a program such access, the store, retrieve, arrange and format information contained in a database. Maximum என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? Store பண்ண போறோம். Second, retrieve பண்ண போறோம். Arrange. Arrange னு ஒண்ணு. My name, Karthikeyan. எனக்கு ஒரு table I created using some syntax. அதனால என்ன பத்தி serial number, name, address, mobile number, email. That's all. But in the institution பொறுத்தவரை who am I? Institution பொறுத்தவரை who am I? As a assistant professor. Okay? I am a professor. You? Student. This particular data can be stored with you. Okay? Arrange பண்றதுக்கு இன்னொரு டேட்டாவை எம்ப்ளாயி ஒரு டேபிள்ல I have stored serial number, name, serial number, ID, name, destination, phone number, mail ID. இது மாதிரி தான் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேவா? That is the database management system or the DBMS collection of interrelated data, various programs that are used to handle the data. Maximum information that I store பண்ண போறேன். Huge amount of information is available now. Then particular name or table is enough. So primary code, the provide way of store and retrieve information. Store the data and retrieve information based on your query. Based on your query. The primary code to provide to store and retrieve the required information from the database in convenient, efficient manner. Convenient and efficient manner. Suppose you are going to ID. How to plan? Without plan, what happen? Plan, what happen? With the plan, without plan, what happen? You will experience it. Sir, with the plan, without plan.
Sir, with plan it will be nice and we'll enjoy, sir.
Huh?
It will be nice and we'll enjoy, sir. Sir, so with plan we'll enjoy the idea and be very satisfied. So if we go without plan, we don't know like what to do and where to enjoy, and it will be waste of money only. We won't be enjoying.
This is most important. With the plan, you have first pick the train or flight or bus. First condition. And before you have choose a place through by bus, through train or flight. Second plan. Third, you can stay back.